Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, it is time for the 702 Brew Crew to take over tonight. We are kicking it off with this 4-box break of Chronicles Baseball. We also have tonight going off XR, which is ending on eBay now. Then we'll have Opulence Basketball 1-box break. And then at the very end, we will have... missing one. I know we have pre-sale of Bowman Chrome going off at the end of the night, which is breaking...
Chronicles, XR, Opulence, Spectra, and
Spectra, sorry, that's the one I was missing. Spectra football going off tonight as well. And then at the very end, a pre-sale of the brand new Bowman Chrome, which we will break tomorrow morning, right after the embargo on that is lifted, and we're able to break that for you. But first and foremost, best of luck everyone in this Chronicles 4-box half or 1/4 case break. Sorry, not a half case. I don't know what I was gonna say. Yeah. If you guys can, make sure to follow us on Twitter and Instagram at 702 Breakers, as well as follow us here on this YouTube channel that you found yourself on tonight. Or if you're watching later on, you can give us a follow there too. And we got an auto right out the gate. Franmil Reyes, San Diego Padres. It doesn't take long for a slugger. Chronicles autograph, this one not numbered. And of course, if you guys can, jump into the breaks, buy in on eBay. Stores.ebay.com/702-breakers. That's what helps keeps these breaks going. Helps us provide you guys with some cool giveaways, and of course helps us buy the product to be breaking for you guys, and keeps everything going and keeps the lights on. So if you guys can, always jump in. That helps a lot. Juan Soto, rookie out of PRIZM. Freddie Lindor, Rhys Hoskins, and Mike Trout. Francisco, Mr. Harrison Bader, and a Aaron Judge. Nope, this one's front facing. It's Garrett Cole out of Spectra. PRIZM Spectra. Garrett Cole for the Houston Astros. Let's see what we got. We got Willie, Zach Granite, Rafael Devers, and out of 299, a press-proof Eric Hosmer for the San Diego Padres as well. Miguel Andujar, rookie. Ozzie Albies, rookie for the Braves. And Alex Verdugo, pink or purple mojo, refractor out of PRIZM. That is out of 99 for the Dodgers. Verdugi. Patches. Rhys Hoskins for the Philadelphia Phillies. Rookie triple patch out of Spectra here. Got two single colors and then one with the pinstripe. That is numbered out of 199 on Rhys. Miguel Andujar, Austin Hayes, and Victor Robles. Then a numbered gold Prestige 25 out of 99 Trey Turner for the Washington Nationals. Mickey Delmonico, Jose Altuve, and Bryce Harper. Red Prestige autograph, Milwaukee, 107 out of 199. Rookie of Brandon Woodruff. Red parallel autograph. Shohei Ohtani out of Studio. Eric Thad, Giancarlo Stanton, Justin Bour, and Bryce Harper. Then our chromed out as a Devers and a Mojo refractor out of 299. Gary Sanchez for the Yankees. Nope, not here. Manny Machado, Scott Kingery, And a blue bubble parallel of Nolan Ryan going to the New York Mets on this one. 17 out of 99. Nolan Ryan blue bubbles. Cody Bellinger refractor. Ronald Acuna rookie. Beltre, Bryce Harper, Manny Machado. So last hit should be here, I believe. Yep. It is a Phoenix signatures Dylan Peters for the Miami Marlins. Autograph. Miami Phoenix signatures. And a teal refractor out of 299 of Mr. Aaron Judge. Select. Hey Silver, how's it going, bud? Ichiro, Victor Robles, and Bryce Harper. Numbered teal Shohei Ohtani, numbered 5 of 199 for the Angels. Devers, Miguel Andujar. Rafael Devers, jersey patch, number 22 of 49. Beantown's newest basher. Rookie patch of Rafael Devers. Verdugo, Ahmed Rosario, Austin Hayes, numbered 60 or 80? Sorry, 80 of 99 for the Phillies. Gold out of Classics, J.P. Crawford. Franny Lindor, Aaron Judge, and Ronald Acuna out of Select. It is a Contenders autograph, number 31 out of 199, Chicago White Sox, Mr. Nicky Delmonico. Chi Sox. Rizzo, Willie Calhoun, Austin Hayes, and Walker Buehler, and Marcelo Zuna. Chris Bryant out of Phoenix, and a Shohei Ohtani Mojo out of 299 for the Angels. Dylan Peters, number 2. This one out of Chronicles. Groovin' on Sunday afternoon for the Miami Marlins autograph. Dylan Peets. Orange refractor. Shohei Ohtani out of 199 out of Select. Then we got Ozzie Albies and J.D. Davis. Gleyber Torres and a numbered 208 of 299, Luis Gohara, press proof for the Atlanta Braves. Clint Frazier, rookie, and a Gleyber Torres out of Optic. Another one. Mark Zagunis, Phoenix signature autograph for the Chicago Cubs. What's up, Panda? Ahmed Rosario. Oh, we got a numbered red. 5 out of 25. Ronald Guzman for the Texas Rangers out of Status. Albert Pujols, Eric Thames, Chris Bryant, another Acuna, and Ahmed Rosario. Acuna is out of PRIZM. Whit Merrifield out of Spectra this time. No, Panda, we're ripping that tomorrow morning. Time should be listed in the description for the Bowman Chrome. Rhys Hoskins, Clint Frazier, Dominic Smith, numbered gold out of 99, J.P. Crawford, rookie for the Philadelphia Phillies. Yeah, we are not going to get in trouble from Topps. Not worth it. Shohei Ohtani out of Phoenix. Chris Bryant, purple or pink mojo out of 99 for the Cubby Cubs. Out of Crusades. What's up? Did I already get all the autos? I guess I did. Dustin Fowler, pink prism out of Spectra, numbered 50 of 75, rookie for the Oakland A's. Bueller, Gleyber Torres out of Status. Refractor is Mike Trout. We got Miguel Andujar and Dustin Fowler. Manny Machado, J.P. Crawford. Patches, Aaron Judge for the Yankees out of Spectra, triple threat. That is numbered out of 199, 94 of 199. Jack Flaherty, Juan Soto, rookie for the Nationals. Freddie Lindor. Ahmed Rosario, 7 of 10, purple parallel out of limited for the Mets. 7 of 10. Chris Bryant, Nick Williams, and Willie Adams. Zach Granite, on-card, quad patch, cornerstones. Ricky patch auto, I guess, technically. For the Minnesota Twins, 3 color at the top left. The rest are all single color. That is 25 out of 49, Minnesota Twins. And Twins. Victor Robles, Aaron Judge, Josh Donaldson, Manny Machado, and Ryan McMahon. Refractor of Miguel Andujar and Mike Trout. Another one. Damn. Tyler Wade, 3 color, and then 2 single color. On card for the Yankees. That's out of 25. 16 of 25 out of cornerstones for the Yankees. And a refractor rated rookie optic Juan Soto. Shohei Ohtani, Joey Lucchesi, another Shohei Ohtani. And out of 455, Chance Sisco. Cole Hamels, Mike Trout. Juris Familia autograph, New York Mets, closer starts year on a roll. That one is not numbered for the Mets. Clint Frazier, Chance Sisco, J.P. Croft, Miggy Mash, Nolan Arenado, Clint Frazier, and Miguel Andujar. Shohei Ohtani. Numbered out of 199 TL, Eric Thames, Milwaukee Brew Crew. Clint Frazier, and a numbered Ozzie Albies Mojo out of 299, going to the Atlanta Braves. Chris Bryant, and Ronald Acuna out of Status. Red, Caleb Smith out of Optic. That is 58 out of 99. Red parallel refractor out of Optic for the Miami Marlins. Oh, wow. Orange Ichiro for the Seattle Mariners. 4 of 5. What a card. That's just a numbered card, too. Harrison Bader, Austin Hayes, Chris Davis, Ryan McMahon, Rhys Hoskins, and another Acuna. This one out of Contenders Box. Congrats, Seattle. Orange Prism out of Spectra. 4 of 5 Ichiro. Probably worth some money. Nolan Arenado, and another Nolan Arenado, but this one is 007 of 199. That's kind of neat. That's a red number I'd collect. I think I could do 007. Colorado Rockies. Alex Verdugo, Giancarlo Stanton. Oh, we do have a hit here. It is. Oh, that's 6. 6 of 10. Francisco Lindor for the Cleveland Indians. Too hot to handle. Sick 3-color patch. Red for the Indians. Is that game used? Player used. Damn it. He's been in the league long enough to have game used, right? Greg Allen, Jordan Hicks, and Aaron Judge. But damn, nice card. Cleveland. Cleveland. Gleyber Torres, Aaron Judge, and Nick Williams. Nicky Delmonico. Anthony Santander, select signatures autograph. Baltimore Orioles rookie. Not numbered on Santander. Matt Rosario, Gleyber Torres again, and a Brian Anderson. Christian Walker. Who's that? For the Diamondbacks. I don't think I've ever hit him. Phoenix signature, Arizona Diamondbacks, Christian Walker. Maybe he's good. I don't know. Blue refractor out of 149, Jose Altuve for the Houston Astros. Jimmy Sherfy, Mickey Mantle, Rhys Hoskins, another numbered Shohei Ohtani. This one is 88 of 99. This is a gold zone on a score. Michael Trout and Contenders Optic Shohei Ohtani. Manny Machado, Clint Frazier, Rafael Devers. Brian Anderson autograph out of Panini for Miami Marlins. Not numbered on that one. Clint Frazier and a blue Juan Soto, numbered 79 of 99 out of Illusions for the Nationals. Shohei Ohtani and a Jose Altuve. No, not here. Luis Gohara, big old Spectra card. Bryce Harp, Paul Gold, Nolan Arenado, then a numbered out of 299. Press proof, I think, yeah. Jose Altuve, Rizzo, Rafael Devers, and a red shimmer out of 199. Kind of looks like 109, but 105 of 199, Ozzie Albies for the Braves. Last one up. Almost already got all around us, huh? Altuve, Starling Marte, Bryce Harper, Ryan McMahon, Dominic Smith. These are going to be the number dudes. We'll say those the last. Brandon Woodruff, Nicky Delmonico, and it's Dominic Smith. This one out of 199 for the Mets, orange. And a pink Spectra of Eric Hosmer, 67 of 75, Padres. Padres actually got quite a bit. So definitely 2 nicest for the out of 10 Lindor patch and the 4 of 5 orange prism out of Spectrum Ichiro for the Mariners. Coming up next, XR football, guys. Let me get this one put away.